see that or not.
Okay, I'm just going to go like this. You can sometimes, I just go right through the middle. Sometimes it comes up one here and one here. So I'm just going through the middle now. Open it up a bit. It'll be there all day. You don't want to open it up too much or it'll start bunching up on you. Like that. You put a little up here. Locomotive exhaust. To cover it up. That dry. See how separating there? You don't want that. So you let it dry. Fill that in later. So I'll do the other side of the car while that stuff dries. Just open it up too dry is what I did.
Sorry.
This stuff is mostly around the ends of the cars. Yeah, it sparks. There's nothing you can do about it. I don't know what. Along the bottom, up in the ribs, but you need it faded. You need it faded out. That's important. And you want it just to where you can start to see it. You don't want too much, because then you want it faded. I put it on time lapse. Also, you can do the top of the car like this. This is the right color for a top of the car. On silver top, beautiful. I'll show you that later. I'm going to put on a time lapse because I got a lot of tape. Okay, now I'm going to go over this bottom railing and this little top track, the door track, with a little burnt sienna. It's the red one, and I also have what is it? Red oxide. That's too red. We don't want that, so we're going to use burnt sienna. This is good for other kind of weathering. different weathering jobs on other cars that have different. And I'm going to mix that with alcohol, because if I don't, it'll be just too overdone. So take a little dab of red oxide. This will highlight the black and everything. A drop of alcohol. You can use water, but alcohol dries faster and you gotta wait around before you go moving the colors and start overlapping different colors and stuff. That's why I use alcohol. Okay. And that's too thick. So put some more alcohol. We just want to add a little to it. Bring it out a bit in certain spots. So you just dab that up, dab it. Yeah, that's what we want right there. Can you see that? Just not really thick. You can lay it on, then touch it off with your finger. No, I made it too wet. I just want to show you the different kinds. See, that to me, that's too red. You don't want that. It's like red. You don't want red. So you just dab it with your finger. Some of the red stays, highlights it, and that's all you really want is a little bit of highlight going on. Where it's rusty, and then you can do the top part. And dab it off with your finger. The top part. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting this. My tape's done. Damn. Okay, and then dab it with your finger. There. One highlighted rail. And you can do that for other parts down near the bottom and stuff. Stuff where it's really used and weathered. Touch up that. There you go. I'm going to do the other side now. Okay, also you might want to put a little bit in and around the door frame and all them little parts and knobs and whistles and things. Just loosely highlight it, dab it off. See how it brings it out? Isn't that nice? Totally nice. I think it should be a little bit darker in the bottom, and I'll take care of that later when I'm back on the black. But right now, man, that's pretty nice. You got the yellowish rust going down into the dark rust and the black. So it's like greasy rust. It's perfect. I don't know what you want. That's pretty good. And the other side, it's a little bit darker down there. I gotta add a little more yellow on my air gun, but I just rinsed it off. But you know, that's pretty good too. And the rust spot there we made. Can you see it? There it is. There's our rust spot. And the yellow coming down with the air gun. Pretty sharp. So far so good.